When you have the Speco Blue app open, click on the camera that you want to do two-way communication with. Then, at the upper right-hand corner, you should see a series of icons appear. If you have two-way audio set up, you should see a microphone in this icon list. Click on the microphone. If the camera has a built-in speaker, you click on the picture of the microphone below, and it will ask you to push to speak. When you click the Push to Speak button, you'll be able to talk to the person with two-way communication. To listen to the person, you let go the speaker and you click on the speaker icon at the bottom of the camera. Now you'll be able to listen to what they're saying, and if you want to speak again, you click the top of the camera again and it will say Push to Speak.